Today I'm going to show you how to create an awesome intro like this in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. Wait a minute, where's my manner? I beg your pardon. Hello designers, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. It's me, AZ. Welcome to gzpixel. If you are new to this family, you can join us by subscribing the channel and also press the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's get jump to the tutorial. I collect all these files on YouTube. If you need the link, please let me know in the comments. I'll give you the link. Now we are in the Adobe Premiere Pro interface. Drag template on the timeline. Due to copyright issue, I want to remove its sound. I'm gonna add my own sound. Go to speed, make it 237 to make its duration 5 seconds. Now I'm going to place a sound effect when the square box appears. Double click the sound effect video. I'm going to drag the sound only into the timeline. I only need the sound, that's why I'm cutting the extra parts. Move the line to the point where I placed. Press Ctrl T for text option. Place it before the text line. Type G. Go to Effect Control and adjust its position. Press Alt plus mouse left button to duplicate the G text. Press right arrow key 3 times to move 3 frames. Press C to razor tool and cut the extra part. Again go to Effect Control. Adjust the number as I did. Type Z. I need to change its color for its beautification. I am choosing light gray color, or you can copy this code to get the exact color. Again I am going to duplicate the Z layer to the top by pressing Alt and dragging the mouse left button. Again press right arrow key 3 times to move 3 frames. Move the text further. Write P. I am going to change its color again light gray to pure white. You can choose your preferred color. For the remaining letters you can follow the same previous rules. Watch these steps properly for revision. Okay, I nested all the layers. Okay, now I'm going to vanish my text. You can do it in 2 ways. 1. Masking. 2. Cutting the layers. I'm going to show you the second way cause it's fast and easy. If you want to see the masking technique, let me know in the comments. I'll make a separate tutorial on it. Now I'm going to place a typing sound effect on the timeline. Double click the video, then drag the sound only to the timeline. Press C again and cut the blank part. Place it where the sound is matching with the text. Now I need single click sound effect. Double click the video again and drag the sound only to the timeline. Place the sound where the hand is clicked. Okay. Now I am going to place this subs and like animation on the intro. I don't need all the part. I am just cutting the extra parts and keeping the parts I required. Place the sound properly. This might take time, so be patient. Either you are a video editor or a graphic designer, you must have a strong patience. We need to remove the black background. Go to Effect and type Color key. Drag it to the top layer. Go to Effect Control. Choose Eyedropper, select the black color. Increase the feather to 75. Once you place the sound properly, go to Effect Control and adjust the number as I did. Okay, let's check our final view. That's all for today. What do you think about this video and what kind of video you want to see in the future? Please let me know in the comments, and if you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. You can also follow me on other social medias, links are in the description. This is a special tutorial video. I always upload this type of video on every Monday, and I also upload 3 to 4 shorts in a week. So if you want to get all the notification of those videos, you have to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon and select notification all. Otherwise you won't get any notification of those videos. So this is me, AZ. I'm signing off. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and most important, keep designing.